Hello guys, welcome to Tech Every channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to switch WhatsApp normal account to business account. So guys, for that go to your normal WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dot icon, tap on settings. Now tap on chats, tap on chat backup. Now you have to backup your all the chats. Now go back and go to WhatsApp business. Tap on agree and continue. You can use here the current number or you can use a different number. Now select your number. Now a 6-digit code will be sent you that number. Now you have to enter here your business name. Now you have to add your catalog here. Now tap on next. You can add your email or you can skip this part. And then your WhatsApp account will be created. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.